Hello everyone, our today's topic is finite difference method. So finite difference method is most accurate method, and in structural analysis most of the problems involves differential equation of the ordinary type that are required of the determination of moments, then shear force, deflection and etc. in beams and buckling columns. Okay, so firstly, what is meant by finite difference method? So if you consider more number of nodes, then definitely you will get more accuracy. So that's why this method is approximate method. So in this method, the nodes are always given to you in example. So next is, let's start the procedure how to find out finite difference method. So that step number first step is divide the beam into number of parts and mark node points. Nodal points like y base 2 0, y base 2 1, y2 up to yn. So in that, let us see the nodal point. As first is, suppose we consider for cantilever beam, okay. So in that, at fixed end, give dummy nodal point as on left of the support, like that. Here suppose A and this B point. So over this B point, on free end, P kilonewton point load is at. So here let us consider dummy node point, that is from A point to left side up to 0. So this is H. So here node point 0, then at A point node point 1, and in between A to B, suppose we consider 3 nodes, 1, 2, 3, okay, in equal parts. Suppose here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and last 5 node. Okay, so here y1 is equal to 0 and y0 is equal to y2. That means here y0 is equal to y2 due to symmetry to both side of fixed supports. Okay. The next is, suppose we consider for simply supported beam, so in that, no need to take dummy node point. So here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at simple end, y0 is equal to y4 is equal to 0. Okay. The next step is step number 2. So second step is draw bending moment diagram for given loaded beam. Then next, step number 3. From this bending moment diagram, draw M upon EI diagram. Then next, step number 4, that is apply boundary condition. And then step number 5, apply central finite difference equation to each node. So equation is y base to n minus 1 minus 2y base to n plus y base to n plus 1 is equal to h square into m base to n divided by ei. Okay, so here by solving this equation, then we get deflection at each node. That means deflection at under these points, that means under these node points 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here y means deflection, then h is nothing but distance interval at any point, then m is a moment at any section, then e is nothing but modulus of elasticity, and I is nothing but second moment of inertia. Okay, and from this equation we get deflection at each end. Okay, these are the step by step procedure of to find out finite difference method. Okay, thank you.